Okay, hello everybody. I have 10 surprise eggs for Andre. I am Andre's mom, Candy, and this is sister Erin. We're now gonna give the eggs to Andre, aka Kuya.
Wait, I'm up here. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming down. I am coming down.
Here's your 10 surprise eggs.
Okay.
Kuya,
Let's see what is inside.
let's go see. I think your sister wants to join you.
Okay.
Okay, both of you.
I have nothing.
But Erin.
Oh my God! You have the eyes again. What does Aaron have? Aaron has nothing. Okay, okay, I'm presuming mine has a toy. And Aaron presumes that she has no toy. Ooh, I have a toy. Okay, I presume there's no toy. Oop, there is! Oh, why did you put a small toy? No toy inside. We never know. Yeah, I was right. We help you. No toy inside Aaron's. No toy. Yeah, no toy inside, of course. No toy. I have no toy again. How many toys do I have? I only have 3 toys. Okay, I think this is Aaron's junk. Ooh, I finally gave me a toy. Oh my God. I'll clean it up. Okay, last surprise egg. No toy? Yeah, no toy. How many? Did Aaron get a toy? No! You got me a lot of trick surprise eggs. Okay, so all we have is 4 toys. Okay, so bye.